Good morning everyone, welcome back to Gun Rats. I'm Andrew Stevens, your chosen Beretta gunsmith, and today we are going to take a look at this Beretta 686. When our customer dropped off this shotgun, he told me that it has fired almost 1 million rounds and is still running strong. Wow, what a legacy! And that's why we stand by Beretta. Always safety first. We've already checked that this firearm is safe. At first glance and test of this firearm, we can see the shotgun show a high degree of wear and tear, as can be shown by the looseness of the hinge mechanism. This shotgun is in some desperate need of TLC. Let's do it. So here we have an old worn out ejector spring on the left and a brand new spring on the right. As an indication of how many rounds this rifle has fired, this top lever shouldn't have any play in it, and the reason it has play is because we have a broken part inside. Okay, so as another indication of the amount that this rifle has shot before, this is the firing pin that we just took out. And you can see just how dirty that was. What I want to do is properly grease the ejectors and then place both of them back again. As we can all see, after applying the approved Beretta maintenance practices, a well-used shotgun like this can be given a new lease on life. With proper care and love, the 686 can be trusted for generations. It's reliable, elegant, and durable, making it the kind of shotgun that is passed down and not worn out. This is proven today with this specific 686, 1 million rounds and still going. This is why we choose and love Beretta. If you got a 686 story of your own, drop it in the comments below. Until next time.